Look at all of that rain. It's been raining like off and on for the past few days. There's the creek back there. Um, it's really flooded a lot. I'd like to get a shot of that. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Okay, so this is outside. Obviously, I don't have a pile of junk in the middle of my living room or anything. And here is the creek. I have this umbrella if you're wondering what the raindrop noises are. Yeah, I'm gonna get closer down to the creek. Look at this. Sometimes when it floods a lot, the water was like all the way up to like here. Like halfway up this pathway. It was crazy. It generally doesn't get that high though. That piece of junk. Okay, yeah. Now it's raining so hard. I want to go back up. To be honest, I don't even know if you could hear me. I have to do that to the umbrella every time I want to get through that gate. This entire bucket is full of water, I can tell you. My camera's waterproof, don't worry. This one's full of water as well. Look at all that. It's all soaked right up to the foundation. Oh, this is so murky. There's leaves in my shoes. I'm gonna go inside now. I don't like wetness.
yeah, I just kind of did that. I don't know, I like underwater shots.